come up to me like that. Don't do that.
I came up to you.
No, don't do that.
I was trying to walk around you.
No, you're not doing that.
I'm walking around you.
No, you're not. Don't walk up to me like that.
I didn't walk up to you.
Get in the elevator. Get in the elevator.
That is weird. I don't want to be here. There's not a black person in sight.
The 31st of January 2025. Location undisclosed hotel United States incident guest forcibly removed and arrested following prolonged front desk disturbance.
I didn't do shit that way. Why would I shut up? Get out of my face.
Stop. Don't come up to me like that. Don't do that.
I came up to you.
No, don't do
I was
that.
trying to walk around you.
No, you're not doing that.
I'm walking around you.
No, you're not. Don't walk up to me like that.
I didn't walk up to you.
Get in the elevator. Get in the elevator.
That is weird. I don't want to be here. There's not a black person in sight. What are we talking about? I am in the elevator. Go home.
Let's go. Out.
You kicked us
Come on.
out because of that?
Let's
You
go.
threatening me.
Let's go.
What was the threat?
Let's go.
Get off me.
No.
Get the f*** off me, officer. Get off of me. I know my rights.
No, you need to go.
Get off of me.
This is your last
Put your
warning.
hands off of
If
me.
you don't, you are going to get arrested.
Because of
Do
what?
you understand
Arrested
it?
for what?
You have been told to leave numerous times.
But
you have
you
not.
just told me that.
You are not going to stand there and yell at her.
I want to know what I did.
We're past
You're
that.
not putting on no.
We're past that.
You didn't even look at the cameras. You're putting me out without even doing an investigation.
We don't need to
You
look
do
at the
need to
camera.
do
No,
that.
I do not.
I'm telling you different from
She
what
wants
she said.
to leave. It doesn't matter.
It does matter. It's
does
free
not.
will. That's not how this works in
It does
America.
not matter.
That's not how it works. You can't arrest me and I didn't do nothing.
You need
They
to.
come look at the cameras and tell you that you was dumb as hell. I'ma sue you.
Okay.
I'll sue you the one that was wrong.
Don't even do it to another reason my ankle.
Okay. See you, bud.
Yep, I'm here to check in.
Okay.
The reason I'm an ankle monitor, so
And you just overly grabbed my arm. My f***ing buzzing.
That's
and you
fine.
can still put me on an
That's
ankle monitor?
Who's putting you on an
This
ankle?
man on an ankle monitor.
Okay.
You guys send me
You know what? He just committed a
But
robbery.
you put
the
your
other day.
hands on me so you can still put me
yeah,
on an ankle
you
monitor.
need to go.
Because I want to know why
You
they...
need to go.
Ugly
Stop.
bastard.
Stop. Okay.
Get the off of me. Get off of me.
Come on.
Get off of me.
Come on.
Get off of me.
Come
Get
on.
off of me.
Let's
Get
go.
off of me. You're not putting me on a ankle
Stop.
monitor.
Stop.
Listen to me. I didn't do
Stop.
nothing to her. You're
Stop.
not listening
That's
to me.
fine.
That's not fine. It's my
I
baby's
cannot
birthday.
listen to you if you're going to yell at me the whole
It's
time.
her birthday. And this lady
understand.
came up to
Can
me
you
out of
stop
nowhere,
screaming?
telling me that my kids running the fucking hallway. Now you're telling me I gotta leave.
You have to leave.
Because
she
of
wants,
what?
She wants you
Because
to.
she wants me to. That's
She
not
doesn't
right.
need a reason.
She don't need a reason.
She doesn't.
How? That's
It's
legal?
a private.
So that's legal.
Yes, it
So that's
is.
legal. Look,
Yes, it
Quinta
is.
is not a private fucking business.
Yes, it is. It is a private business.
And you can put your hands on me and swell me up and shit, make bruises on my arm.
Now you're gonna come up to me and
I
just.
came up to you?
Yes,
I
you
wasn't
did.
even looking at
Twice.
you. I was going
Twice.
around you.
You're lucky you're not being
They have
arrested.
surveillance cameras.
I'm preventing
I'm not
you
the one
from-
lucky.
That's
I got
fine.
people on the DIL. So the f*** got you.
Fine. That's
You're
fine.
lucky.
That's fine.
I didn't do nothing to
That's
you.
fine.
I will sue you and take your fucking badge,
Okay.
Officer Tandman.
Okay.
You don't know who the f*** I am, and she don't either.
Okay.
I want to ask
You
a question.
need to leave.
This is free will.
You need
It's
to
free
leave.
speech. I can ask
You
her a
need
question.
to leave.
If my daughter is in here, I
You
don't
need
have
to
to
leave.
leave. If my daughter is in here,
You need to
if
leave.
my
How many
kid,
times do I need to keep telling you that
my
you
kid
need
is
to leave?
here.
You're
My
not.
kid
No,
is
you're
here.
not going back.
My kid is here.
Based on how you
My
reacted,
kid is
you're-
here. How I reacted from the fucking mistreatment that I'm receiving.
Her dad is up there.
Her dad.
He's gonna be.
You
able
don't
to
know
take
who
it.
Noah is, gang. You don't know me. You don't know that's her dad.
You're not going back.
You don't even know that's my mama.
You're not going
You don't
back
know
in.
nobody.
That's fine, but you need to leave for the 100th
For
time.
the 100th time.
You need to leave.
Can't stop talking to me. I swear to God, y'all be so racist, bro. That's all right. I'll be back. If my daughter in here, I would be the here. And you can tell how raggedy, dog face ass, I would beat your asshole.
You need to
I would beat
leave.
the out you. Come outside. She won't do that. Come outside. Tell her to come outside.
Hey,
tell her
you
to come
need to
outside.
leave.
Tell her to come
You
outside.
need
Come
to
here.
leave.
Come here.
You
it's
need
so
to
funny,
leave.
right?
Hey,
it's funny
hey,
now.
just-
Get the on my face, show up. What you want to say something to me too?
Yes, you
what?
need to leave.
What? Put
Walk
my
away.
baby in here. Don't put your hands on me.
That's it.
Can y'all stop? Bro, my daughter. That's not her dad.
Going.
That's not her dad. I can't leave her.
Just put your hands behind your back.
You have
Go
my
back.
hair.
Okay.
Can you let go of my hair?
I'm not.
Let go of my hair.
Put your
I don't want to.
You're coming back with us.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you decided.
Listen.
You decided not walk
Listen,
away.
I'm trying to walk away with my
No,
daughter.
you decided to come
it's
at
her
us.
birthday, please.
Okay, well, you could have handled it a lot differently, okay?
Listen, she didn't have. Ow, you're hurting me.
Then just relax
The
your wrist.
lady in there, I didn't do nothing to her.
Relax your
Watch the
wrist.
cameras.
Okay. Relax your wrist.
Watch the cameras.
Yeah.
You're not gonna watch the camera? I'm Officer Barrow, watch the camera.
Ma'am,
I didn't do
the
nothing
reason
to
you're in
her.
custody is because what you did to us out here.
What did I do to you out here? What did I do? I'm trying to tell you I didn't do nothing. Please don't put me in custody before I get my daughter, please.
Stop.
Please.
The couple
Please,
are
officer, please.
Stop. Okay,
Please.
we're done right
Please.
now. Okay?
I'm done. I won't do
So
anything
put your hand
else.
behind your back.
I gotta check on my daughter,
She's
please.
grabbing onto
Your daughter is fine.
No, that's not her dad. I didn't do nothing to these.
Your mom.
You're breaking my heart. Please, officer.
Your mom is up there with all the kids. They're getting ready to go.
No, they're
All you had
not.
to do was leave.
I'm trying to leave. That's why I'm out here. Can I please leave? Please.
Leave it in cuffs now.
Officer, please. The lady assaulted me.
turning.
She verbally assaulted me.
Yeah.
You guys, I didn't
got
do
small
nothing. Are you kidding me? Watch the cameras and you will see that. Watch the cameras.
Where your baby at?
My baby upstairs and they won't let me get to her.
Whatever the closest
On the
spot.
second floor, room 202 on my phone, bro. Wait, my purse.
We'll get it.
We'll grab it.
It's right
Hey,
there.
Brody,
My
grab that
purse.
purse.
Please, officer, please. No,
Thanks, right
please,
there.
I'm sorry.
No, we're past that.
No, we're not.
We're
My
past
daughter.
We're past it.
Please.
Do not catch another charge.
Please, leave me alone. Please, leave me alone.
No, she's gonna stand up. She's gonna stand up. Just come on, just stand up.
Please,
Stand up. Stand
no,
up.
I've never
Ready?
been
We're
in
gonna-
jail.
All right,
Please.
1, 2, 3.
Please. Please, no. Please, no.
I got it.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Hold on.
I just wanted my baby. The lady at the front desk is so wrong, G. I didn't do nothing. You saw me. You saw me. I spoke to her in the elevator. There's nothing wrong with me. Please. Please, I don't want to go to jail. Please, can we
in the back,
talk?
okay?
Please,
Sit in the back. We'll talk at the
Officer,
station.
No, officer. Officer, I gotta check on my baby.
Fine.
Officer, please.
Put your legs up, okay?
Please, I gotta
not
check
kick.
on my daughter, officer, please.
Stop kicking.
No. Officer, listen. No, officer. Please listen to me. Can you listen to me? I'm sorry. Officer, can I
We'll talk to you
please
at the
go-
station, okay?
No, I can't go to the station. Officer.
We'll talk to you back there, okay?
Officer, please let them let me go. I didn't. What did I do?
It's what you did to us, okay? But
I
we'll talk
didn't
to you
do
at the station.
nothing to you, officer.
Private property and trespass. A hotel guest holds a revocable license, not a property right. Under the common law revocable license doctrine, management may rescind that license at any time for any reason without obligation to provide cause. Once notice to vacate is communicated, continued presence constitutes criminal trespass. Officers responding to a trespass call carry no duty to adjudicate the dispute between guest and management. Their role is limited to enforcing the removal. Use of force analysis. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386-1989. The Supreme Court established 3 controlling factors. 1. The severity of the crime at issue. 2. Whether the subject posed an immediate threat to officers or others. 3. Whether the subject was actively resisting or attempting to flee. All 3 Graham factors were satisfied at the point of physical contact. The subject had refused repeated lawful commands, made threatening statements, and physically resisted officers during a lawful removal. Wrist control and hair holds applied during active resistance fall within the objectively reasonable range under this standard. First Amendment limits. City of Houston v. Hill, 482 U.S. 4511987. Offensive speech and profanity directed at law enforcement are protected under the First Amendment. Verbal abuse alone cannot form the basis of a lawful arrest. Speech must cross into conduct before criminal liability attaches. True threats. Doctrine Virginia v. Black, 538 U.S. 3432003. First Amendment protection does not extend to true threats. A true threat is defined as a statement that a reasonable person would interpret as a serious expression of intent to commit unlawful violence. Statements of this nature were present in this footage and are legally actionable. Battery on law enforcement. Battery requires proof of intentional unlawful physical contact. Physical resistance during a lawful custodial removal satisfies this element. The charge is legally independent of the underlying hotel dispute. It attaches the moment unlawful contact with an officer occurs. Resisting arrest, Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, 532 U.S. 3182001. The Supreme Court confirmed that a full custodial arrest is constitutionally permissible for even minor criminal offenses provided probable cause exists. Resisting a lawful arrest is a separate and independently chargeable offense, regardless of whether the subject disputes the underlying charge. Legal remedy, 42 U.S.C. Section 1983. Physical resistance is never a lawful remedy for an arrest the subject believes is unlawful. The correct legal channels are a motion to suppress evidence, a post-conviction appeal, or a civil rights claim under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983 inches. Federal Court, United States v. D. Ray 332 U.S. 5811948 affirms this principle. Probable cause standard. Probable cause requires only a reasonable belief that a crime has been committed. It does not require certainty. It is substantially below the proof beyond a reasonable doubt standard required for conviction. Once battery and resistance occurred, probable cause for arrest was independently established and legally sufficient. Lesson 1. Private property encounters. When a private business lawfully revokes a guest license, the legally sound response is immediate voluntary departure. Remaining on the premises transforms a civil dispute into a criminal trespass matter and transfers legal exposure entirely to the subject. Lesson 2. Verbal conduct and criminal liability hostile speech directed at officers does not, on its own, constitute a crime. However, statements that cross into true threats under Virginia v. Black create independent criminal liability and significantly affect any subsequent use of force analysis against the subject. Lesson 3. Resisting arrest compounds exposure. Physically resisting a lawful arrest never improves a subject's legal position. It adds independent criminal charges, justifies elevated use of force under Graham v. Day, Connor, and undermines credibility in any subsequent civil proceeding. The courtroom, not the arrest scene, is the appropriate forum for contesting police conduct.